Hello everyone, welcome to this part of the video where we are required to draw an angle ABC of 32 degrees. Alright, so I'm going to first draw a line. Angle A, B, C. Okay, so I'm going to take out my protractor. And I am going to count 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. Okay, for those there, 32, and after which I am going to draw such that this will be my angle ABC of 32 degrees. 1, 2. Yep. Next, construct the angle bisector. Now, I do need to make sure that I need to place my pointed tip of the compass onto the angle, and the angle is here. This length can be any length as long as you can cut the lines that make the angle. So in this case, it's BC and BA. Cut one. Make sure it cut both lines. Move the pointed tip to the intersection. Draw one arc. Move the pointed tip to the other intersection. And draw another arc such that it make an intersection with this arc. And now, the last step is simply to join the intersection. And this line is the angle bisector of the angle ABC. We have come to the end of this part of the video. Let's continue to explore more questions.